So, you just received your Pro Action shocks. The UPS man just came to your drawer, dropped off a box with shocks in it. You put them on your bike. Now you don't know what to do next. Let me tell you, it's real easy. We'll have these spring rates picked out for you for your weight, your riding ability, your passenger weight, how often they ride with you. Do you pull a Kohler? Do you have big horsepower? Do you have a trailer? You know, we get all those things to select the right spring rates for you. Once you get the shock, put them on your bike, take the very first ride exactly like they come out of the box. See what you think from there. If you do need to make some changes or fine tune, the first thing we want to look at is we're going to look at the bumper. As you ride, it's going to push that bumper down, down, down. It'll stop forever how much travel you're using. If you can back in after your first ride, and there's a lot of room under your bumper and you hit some good bumps, we're going to take one turn, maybe two turns counterclockwise out of the spring. Loosen a little lock here with your Allen wrench that we supply for you. Take the collar, make it 2 revolutions, 1 or 2 revolutions. That'll let you come a little farther down in the travel. The second situation, if you come back in and that bumper's pushed clear to the bottom and you feel it bottom out. If the bumper's clear at the bottom, that's okay. We know you're using full travel. If it's clear at the bottom and you feel it hit bottom, you feel that harsh hit, you feel an uncomfortable situation when you hit a bump, now we're going to take this collar and we're going to go clockwise, 1, maybe 2 springs to help keep you off the bottom a little bit. So when you look at it, the spring supports your weight on the bike, keeps you in the right part of the travel. Then past that, we're going to have your clicker set. You take it counterclockwise, there's clicks inside there, you'll feel the detents till it stops. Bring it back in. When you receive it, you'll either be at 5 clicks or 4 clicks, depending on what length shock you got. So take a little ride. This picks up the flow of the road. You have a harsh hit, you feel the vibration, anything there, you need to stiffen it up a little bit, we're going to go clockwise. You need to soften it up a little bit, we're going to go counterclockwise. You should be in within 2 turns either direction on the spring, and you should be within 1 or 2 clicks either direction on the clicker in the bottom. If you get lost, it gets a little bit too much for you, give us a call, Pro Action, 724-846-9055. We'll ask you some questions, we'll figure out your situation, we will tell you exactly what to change and what to do.